Good afternoon, students. Welcome in SCP lecture. Today I will start the lecture of hospital and clinical pharmacy. Chapter number 5, Physiological Parameter. Let us first shortly look at what we saw in the previous lecture. Introduction, definition, hematological parameters and biochemical parameters. Definition: physiological parameters can be defined as gases used to check normal physiological form of organelle or organelle system. Okay. Then hematological parameters is RBC count and WBC and thrombocytes. Okay. In RBC, a normal value of male female fetus significance. Then in RBC count, packed call volume or hematocrit. Then in that normal value, then mean corpuscular volume, then hemoglobin, color index, then ESR, that is erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Okay. Then significance, advantages, example. The next point is WBC. In WBC, normal value, then significance, then DLC count, significance. In last is thrombocytes significance, then clotting time significance. Then next point is biochemical parameters. In biochemical parameters, four biochemical parameters: blood sugar, blood cholesterol, lipid profile and serum enzyme. Okay. Blood sugar, normal fasting full sugar level ranging from 80 to 120 mg%. If blood sugar level falls below the 70 or 15 mg%, the symptoms of the hypoglycemia appears and increase the level known as the hyperglycemia. Then significance: increased level of blood sugar is indicative, okay, of diabetes, then severe nephritis, hepatic and pancreatic disorders and hyperthyroidism, etc. Then next is blood cholesterol. The normal value of the blood cholesterol is 122 to 40 mg%. It is the directly related with aging and reaches to 80 to 300 mg among 70 years old people. Okay. Then significance of blood cholesterol: cholesterol is present in the following form, that is LDL cholesterol and HDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol means low density lipoprotein cholesterol, 60 to 80% of total cholesterol, and HDL cholesterol means high density lipoprotein cholesterol, 25 to 40% of total cholesterol. Then in cholesterol, one chart: cholesterol level mg% and disease, that is these are the cholesterol level mg% and these diseases. Okay. And next is lipid profile. In lipid profile, normal value estimation and normal value. Then significance: the significance of lipid profile is in alcoholic cirrhosis, the lipid profile remains on the higher side. The lipid value is found to be higher in case of the atherosclerosis, impaired glucose tolerance and acute relapsing pancreatitis. Then next is triglyceride level increases in the hyperthyroidism and CHD. Then LDL as to HDL ratio increases in diabetes. The last one is serum enzyme. In serum enzyme, it is also important guess to diagnose few diseases despite the presence of enzymes in the fractional amount. They may be released in the large amount on tissue damage. Some of the enzymes are enzyme and normal value. First enzyme is creatine phosphokinase. The normal value is 20 to 50 IU, and woman 10 to 37 IU. Then lactic acid dehydrogenase is 70 to 240 IU. Then alkaline phosphatase is adult 29 to 92 IU, and children's is 90 to 220 IU. Then aspartate transaminase, men 0 to 40 IU and women's 0 to 30 IU. Then alanine transaminase is 5 to 35 IU. Okay, this all part is we have seen in previous lecture. Now I will start the today's part of this chapter, pathoclinical parameters. Now see first urine analysis. Urine is examined physically, chemically and microscopically to obtain information regarding renal function or some systemic disease. The urine is examined physically, chemically and microscopically to obtain information regarding renal function or some systemic disease. First, physical test. Second, chemical test and microscopic test. First is physical test and normal value. First test is volume, 350 to normal value is 350 to 500 ml. Then second is appearance. Then normal value clear, faint and faint yellow. Then odor, aromatic. Then specific gravity 1.03 to 1.02. Then pH is slightly acidic. Then chemical test. First sugar, normal value abnormal constituents. Then protein, abnormal constituents. Bile salt. First is sugar, abnormal constituents. Protein, abnormal constituents. Bile salt, abnormal constituents. Then bile pigments, abnormal constituents. And ketone bodies, abnormal constituents. And blood cells, also abnormal constituents. Okay. Then third is microscopic tests. Epithelial cells, normal value traces in normal urine. Okay. Then push cells, traces in normal urine. Then crystals appears after long time. Then casts, traces in normal urine. These are the urine analysis: physical test, chemical test and microscopical test. Next is stool examination. Stool examination, it is also examined in the similar fashion of testing as physical, chemical and microscopical, and to evaluate GIT disorders and infectious disease. Testing as physical, chemical and microscopic, and to evaluate GIT disorders and infectious disease. Okay. First, physical test. Nature, normal value semi-solid, color brownish, odor characteristics, mucus very less amount. Then chemical tests, similar to urine analysis, normal value no. Then microscopic states, cell no normal value, parasites and agents no. Then these are the stools examination tests. Then cerebrospinal fluid analysis. Okay. Cerebrospinal fluid analysis. It is CFS is formed by the selective dialysis of plasma by choroid plexus of ventricles of the brain, and it travels into a sub-arachnoid space of the brain and spinal cord. The CFS has defined nature and composition, which is summarized as: first is physical test, second chemical test and microscopic test. Okay. First, physical test, color brownish yellow, abnormal. Then turbidity abnormal, coagulum abnormal. In chemical test, first protein 15 to 45 mg%, then glucose 40 to 70 mg%, in fasting adult. Then chlorides is 650 to 750 mg%. Then microscopic test is cell. Only few 0 to 5 WBC is CUMM. Okay. Here are the complete the chapter number 5, physiological parameters. These are the questions. Is most important. Okay. What we have seen in this lecture, pathoclinical parameters. First urine analysis, then stool examination, cerebrospinal fluid analysis. Okay. In renal analysis, physical test and normal value. Then that is physical test, chemical test and microscopical test. Then stool examination, physical test, chemical test and microscopical test. Then cerebrospinal fluid analysis, physical, chemical and microscopical test. Okay. Here are complete the chapter number 5, physiological parameters. This question is most important point of view, exam point of view. Okay, so be prepared all of you. I will stop here. Thank you.